and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to elaborate a little bit more on the upcoming handbags, the side trunk handbags that are coming out. And I am also going to speak about my recent purchase from Marc Jacobs. One of my bags is destroyed. So before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. Okay guys, so outfit of the day, I actually have a video for you since you guys see that I am basically undressed. So here is the video. I have on a sleeveless crop top sweater from Zara. I have on a white extended button down from Fashion Nova. I have on dark blue jean high-waisted stretch jeans from Fashion Nova as well, size 5. I have on a beautiful bandeau. I basically can wear it on either side. The other side was actually orange, but I wanted to add some color to it, so that's why I switched sides. And I have on the Nike Dunks color orange. So basically, this was the outfit of the day. The handbag of the day, I brought out the beautiful Speedy bandolier in Damier Ebene. I just wanted to add, some brown to this outfit to bring out my bandeau a little bit. And guys, this was the outfit of the day, guys. And yes, I did slay. And I actually enjoyed this outfit so much. So many compliments from the gas station all the way to, my meeting. I mean, I was stopped a lot. So guys, this is the outfit that I slayed in the handbag of the day. Okay guys, so these are the Nike shoes. Here. And I am just feeling the color orange lately, okay? And the Zara crop top. And I still have on the white button down and the blue jeans, okay? So that's basically it. So guys, let's get into it. I do have my phone. Some of you guys already seen that Foxy LV posted some of the items that's coming out, the side trunk from the cruise collection. Okay. My CA told me to slow down on trying to pick the items that I want to order now. She did let me know some more reverse monogram items are coming out. The last video, well, on Wednesday of last week, I told you guys I had a wish list and I basically sent it over to her. The pink mini monogram side trunk, the Speedy 20 mini monogram, in this color pink as well. I sent that over to her. Guys, I need to change. I even sent her the monogram clutch. I need to change some things, okay? I am going to wait. The only thing that is confirmed that I know that I really want and I am going to go after, and that is the crossbody reverse monogram handbag. So yes, that's on the list. I decided to go ahead and move forward with it, guys. I'm a big collector of reverse monogram, and I know I am going to wear it. And I am going to put her to use. So yes, a lot of you guys said, no, I have enough. You can never have enough reverse monogram. So guess what? I'm going to purchase it, do an unboxing, and add her to my growing collection. Okay, so guys, let's get into the side trunks that Foxy LV posted. My CA sent these to me as well. She told me that a lot of the items were not listed in the lookbook. So I am hoping that she's seeing more of the pictures and items my way, or Foxy LV probably will post. The first one I want to go over is the side trunk, the denim. It's basically the black denim. I have enough denim. I'm not interested in any more denim at all. This is coming in at $3,950. Here it is here. But a lot of you guys, if you missed the blue jean denim that came out, I do have the Speedy 25 bandolier that I've worn, I believe, 3 times. And I also have the mules as well to match. So if you missed out on that, or if you're interested in the black denim, this would be perfect for you with silver hardware. Okay, so the next one is the tan. I thought it was a cognac color, and my CA said it's not. So I don't know. Like I said, I'm still waiting on more details from her, but this is gorgeous. This actually stopped my heart from beating for a second. This is absolutely gorgeous, and the gold hardware on this handbag, oh my God. This is gorgeous. Very, very beautiful. This is coming in, guys, at $4,350. Get ready, guys. We are about to spend some money if we are interested, and if we do have the money to spend. So just get ready for it, but this is amazing. This is a very, very beautiful, standout, bold handbag here. Okay, the next one I love so much, guys. I love the color combo with the hardware. I was just telling you guys, I need a black handbag with silver hardware. I was honestly interested in the mini twist. I showed you guys because it is black LP leather with the silver hardware. And look at this. God said, hold on, I have something for you. And this is it. So guys, this is beautiful. I actually prefer this over the pink mini monogram because I know I will use this a lot more. So that's what kind of took the pink side trunk away, and I'm looking at this. Not 100% sure, but I know the pink monogram for sure is gone, but I'm looking at this. I do need a black handbag with silver hardware. Okay, this is coming in at $4,350 as well. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is so beautiful. I love it. Okay, another tan color handbag, guys. It is coming in at $8,150. I'm not going to talk on this handbag long because I know I'm not going to get it. Okay, but it is beautiful. It's a boss bag, guys. It's a boss bag. You're going to be spending some boss money too. I'm just putting it out there. That gold hardware, I mean, this just looks like butter. It does. This is beautiful. It looks like butter. This is nice. $8,150. LV. That's all I can do is shake my head. Very, very beautiful. Let's move on. Okay, the next. This is the monogram with the treated vachetta. I have, I believe, 3 handbags that have the treated vachetta. I will still spray it with Apple Guard, guys. Just to be on the safe side. I have seen YouTube videos. Guys, the vachetta can still stain. All spots, I've seen it all. So it is very, very real. So if you hear anyone telling you that the vachetta will not get damaged because it's treated, that's not true. It's not true. So if you are basically hard on your handbags and you know, you work, you wash, you put lotion on, you have oil in your hair, you touch your hair, basically you touch your face, makeup, anything that creates oil on your hands, sweat, either have a bando on this tote handle or spray with Apple Guard. Please protect this handbag. Protect this handbag. This is coming in at $3,800. This is another one I was kind of torn on. And I honestly picked the pink mini monogram side trunk over this. But like I was speaking with my husband was like, you don't wear pink like that. Quit putting yourself in a season. He said, you know you love monogram. So I'm honestly looking at the black and silver and also the monogram. I feel a lot better because it's treated vachetta, but I just still wish it was black. I wish it was black leather, except for the treated, you know, but very, very beautiful. I am a monogram canvas girl. I love leather. I really, really do. But I love my canvas handbags. I really do. So I am looking at this, and I also am looking at the black. Please tell me, guys, which side trunk are you interested in? Honestly, what are you interested in? The pink mini monogram is beautiful. I'm telling you guys now, just because I took it off my wish list, I am honestly just thinking smart. I am. I told you guys, I want handbags that I'm going to use. I'm honestly going to use. So if you are interested in the side trunk, if you have already reached out to your CA, please let me know below. Guys, I honestly think these bags are going to be hot. The only reason I would say these bags will stay on the website is because of the price. They're expensive. They are very, very expensive. That's the only way I see these handbags sitting and not selling is because of the price. But we all know LV have a certain clientele that they are targeting. And so, hey, if that clientele wants it, they have it, they are going to purchase. So just purchase smart. If you are interested, guys, just start with one handbag. I know it's a lot of beautiful handbags that are coming out. We still have that beautiful carry all PM in the upfront leather that is coming out as well. They're coming out in PM and MM size. So if you're looking for leather handbags, if you can't afford the side trunk, go to the carry-all. I've seen those in person and they are beautiful. The black is my favorite with the gold hardware. So keep in mind, if you can't afford anything from a side trunk, you have the carry-all PM. Yeah, 2 different handbags, but hey, you got to work with what you have. Okay, guys, let me get into something that was so heartbreaking for me. I want to let you guys know, I am not upset with Marc Jacobs. That's not how I operate, guys. Yes, my bag is damaged. I do have some things in mind that I'm going to do to try to fix it, but the color transfer is real. If you saw in my recent stories, I went to the Galleria. I had on black tights. And so I had on as a crossbody, and I also had it on over my shoulder as a shoulder handbag. And guys, it was just rubbing. I wasn't paying attention. I was just out shopping with my husband. Came home, we were looking at TV, and I turned my handbag over and this was exposed. I was so hurt. I don't care if it was just $275. You guys know it took me a while. Guys, it took me a while to get this because I was stuck with the bucket. And the bucket from Marc Jacobs didn't work for me because of the alignment, guys, and the stitching issues. And so I actually fell in love. I told you guys, this was actually my favorite. Out of the 2 totes, this was my favorite. This red, this true red is so beautiful. So I do have some things in mind because I did help my sister in the past. She had a Damier Azur Speedy and she had color transfer as well. I told you guys about that in a past video. She had on blue jeans. And so I put a little mixture together, guys, and we got it done. And it actually worked. I should have done a YouTube video on it. But I am going to try again. I am not done with this handbag. I am just going to start being more careful with it, okay? But guys, it's not Marc Jacobs' fault. A lot of you guys was like, you shouldn't order from them anymore. You are having bad luck. No, guys, this is my fault. It's not Marc Jacobs' fault, okay? This is my fault. This is a rookie move. I know how it works, guys. We know that the color transfer is real. We just have to honestly watch out when we carry our handbags, okay? So this is what happened with leather handbags, guys. It can happen to any leather handbag, no matter the company, no matter the brand. So, no, I am not upset with Marc Jacobs. The only reason I will not order from Marc Jacobs again is because I have everything that I wanted. I wanted the 2 totes, okay, and I wanted a red handbag, and I absolutely still love this handbag. And I'm going to still put it to you. So, no, I'm not upset. I was more disappointed in myself. But I'm not upset with Marc Jacobs. A lot of you guys sent DMs like, that's not luxury. We told you it wasn't a luxury company. But guys, I don't think like that. I told you guys, I'm not upset. I'm just still happy. I'm blessed to have the handbag. I'm blessed I was able to afford the handbag, even though it was $275. I don't think like that, okay? So, yes, this happened. I am going to try everything in my power to get this cleaned up and fixed. And yes, you will be seeing this again. I'm not just going to throw away the handbag because of the color transfer, okay? So things do happen. So guys, I wanted to go over that information today with you, the side trunk, and just let you guys know that more reverse monogram is coming out. Don't be so quick to purchase because there's more items. There's more items that's coming. And so once I get that information from my CA, I will be happy to share. Hopefully Foxy LV, she posts some more this week. And also, they are getting the enlarged key holder in store. She said probably this week or next week, guys. And I am going to go in and try it on. Hopefully I can get some videos for you guys. And no, I'm not going to purchase. No, I'm not listening. I'm not going to purchase. I'm not going to do it. It's reverse monogram. I'm going to do it. No, I'm not going to do it. That's what's going on in my head. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Let's chit chat in the comments. And guys, let me know, how do you feel about the live stream every Friday? Is that something that you guys are liking? Do you love it? Do you rather me just do a pre-recorded video? Do you want me to go live stream more than just Friday? We do our handbag besties and we have, other conversations. So let me know how you feel about that Friday live stream. As always, guys, stay safe and stay blessed until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.